Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from chromedriver.chrome, link in the description below. Title, Setting up Python Selenium WebDriver, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browser interactions, making it an invaluable asset for web scraping, testing, and automation tasks. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up Python Selenium WebDriver and navigating through a simple web page. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install Selenium package. Open your terminal or command prompt and install the Selenium package using the following command. Step 2. Download WebDriver executable. Choose a web browser, example Chrome, Firefox, and download the corresponding WebDriver executable. Make sure to place the executable in a directory that is included in your system's path. For Chrome. For Firefox. Step 3. Write your first Selenium script. Create a new Python script, example selenium_example.py, in your chosen code editor and add the following code. Replace path /to/chromedriver with the actual path to your chromedriver executable if you are using Chrome. If you are using Firefox, replace webdriver.chrome with webdriver.firefox and adjust the path accordingly. Step 4. Run your Selenium script. Save the script and run it using the following command in the terminal or command prompt. You should see the browser window open. Navigate to https://www.example.com, print the page title, and then close the browser. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully set up Python Selenium WebDriver and created a simple script to interact with a web page. You can now explore more advanced features of Selenium WebDriver to automate various web-related tasks. ChatGPT.